Hi everybody. So I wanted to do a little refresher video to make sure that you guys are understanding the way that the course works and the course navigation. I did a walkthrough video over on 101 in the first week. The O11 class is basically set up the same way, but I just wanted to go over a couple things and make sure that they were clear. One of the first things I wanted to talk about was a little change I made to the announcements in your class. So you guys can see, you all can see as you scroll through, that every week you're going to get two announcements. And the announcements are going to tell you what to do, what you need to complete for the week. Um, that's the basic setup. The thing that I've changed is if you look under weekly to-dos, I'm going to include up here on the weekly to-dos what you need to do in this course and what you're going to need to do in the 101 course as well. So I think maybe I'm going to put this course in red in the announcement that I'm working on right now for you guys that this video will go into. I think I'm going to highlight this class in red. And then you can see underneath what is due. If you look from this, like if we look back to this, you can see under week 1, part 2, these are the weekly to-dos, and these are the weekly to-dos. They're the same. It's because I'm going to write this each time in these bi-weekly announcements to let you know, hey, here's what is due for the week. These are the assignments that you need to complete. These are the graded assignments that you're going to need to do for the entire week. And I've set it up so that you've got what you need to do in O11 and what you need to do in 101. So if you're looking for a single place where everything you need to do for the whole week in both classes is listed, it's right here. Now, because they are separate classes, you can't post information or you can't submit drafts for 101 here. You're going to need to go over to the 101 course, but you can see there's no link here. So this is the task you need to do for this week. And then these are the in this class in O11, and you can just click to complete that. These you're going to have to go over to 101 and finish them. This is your first stop. Come to O11 first. Here's why. Because a lot of times you're going to have things that you need to do here to help you finish assignments in 101. So a really great example is right here. It says first, complete and submit your O11 personal essay development and organization assignment, and then cut and paste the outline into a Word document and submit it as your outline for the 101 Unit 1 personal essay writing assignment. Because this worksheet includes an outline that you can turn in over on 101 as your outline that's due. So this way you're combining and you're being a critical thinker. You're working hard, you're working smarter, not harder. Because once you fill out this worksheet, you're going to have an outline ready to go. So you can cut and paste it into a Word document. I go over that in great detail in this video. So if you haven't watched this video right here yet, please do so. So you're going to have your weekly to-dos here. And then underneath, you're going to have your to-dos for Thursday, your to-dos for Sunday. Those activities are things to do throughout the week that are going to help you. They're supplemental things. You're not going to be graded on reading or watching the video, but in order to do well at these things, these tasks up here, you're going to need to do these activities. Sometimes I might include an advice section. I might give you more advice on things you need to do and follow. But this is going to be sort of the central hub. You need to check in on your announcements and see what's going on, because every announcement, I'm going to break down the things you need to do for the week, the tasks you need to do midweek, and I'm going to give you advice on completing those tasks. So this is a really important area of the course. Over here is our calendar, so you can click and see what's coming due. So this is the same as this, personal essay development and organization assignment, personal essay development and organization assignment. If you scroll down here, this is our Zoom link. So this link is always the one that we're going to use for this class. So I just emailed you. I would like you to go and check that email if you haven't yet, about trying to set up some times to meet, because I'm noticing that there are a lot of assignments missing in this class. And I want to make sure that you guys understand what you need to do and how to do it and that you're not overwhelmed. And I just want a chance to check in with you because doing all of this stuff online can be kind of hard. When you look over here at this Zoom link, you can just click it to go straight to our Zoom room. And it's not key to like a particular time. So if we've agreed over email to meet at like 3 p.m. on a Thursday, you're going to use this Zoom link. If we change it up and mix it and meet each other because you have a couple questions on Monday at 2 p.m., it's going to be the same Zoom link. So that's where the information for our Zoom room is. This is how you can contact me, all that good stuff. I basically just wanted to check in, and I really want you to check your emails because I am noticing that assignments are getting done in the 101 class, but not necessarily here in the 011 class, and I want to make sure that it's clear. And I also want to work with you guys to maybe one-on-one as we talk, or if I can get a group that's big enough, maybe 3 or 4 of you, depending on your schedules, we can do some of the assignments that you need to do for 11 together as a class. So that we can get that stuff knocked out, get that stuff done so that you're not feeling like you're doing so much by yourself, because I don't want you to skip it if you're feeling overwhelmed. I want to find a solution. So hopefully I'll hear back from you over email. Okay, so that's just a quick little overview of what's going on in the course setup.